This is question 4 from your SAT assignment. And this one is interesting. Well, of course, you may find a better way than I do, but I kind of look at those examples and I wasn't sure where to start. And we often get examples like this. So when this happens, I would take what I have, write it in a little bit different form. So this thing, I know I can rewrite this in an exponential form. So b to the power of a is equivalent to 5. Again, I use my definition. I will do the same thing for this one. B to the power of c is equivalent to 2.5. And the last one, it is in the exponential form, so I am not going to do anything. I am going to try to keep them all consistent. All right, now I am looking at this and I know that I need to solve for x, and the only place where I can see x is here. So what I need to do is I need to work with this. However, I also see that there's a 5 here. So what I decided to do is I decided to make them similar and hope for the best. So what I am going to do with the first equation, I am going to raise it to the x power. So watch this. B to the power of a x is equivalent to the power 5 to the power of x. Why am I doing this? Well, let's see what happens when I do some more substitution. What I'm going to do now is I am going to take this, and I am going to say that 5 to the power of x is equivalent to 2.5. So this is what I have at this moment. I have that b to the power of ax is equivalent to 2.5. Why? Because I can. 5 to the x is equal to 2.5. b to the power of ax is also equal to 5 to the x. All right, now I have my third equation that is going to be extremely helpful, because I know that this is equal to 2.5 and this is equal to 2.5. Therefore, this guy and this guy are equivalent. So let's see. B to the power of ax is equivalent to b to the power of c. How convenient. Again, this is what we are looking for in mathematics. B and b are the same, so I can get rid of them. And what I see is that ax is equivalent to c. Well, we are looking for x, so we can divide both sides by a. X is equal to c divided by a. And I believe that was one of our options.